Hello my friends, Otodil here, and today I want to tell you about one of the most amazing projectors that I have tested during my whole review products career here on YouTube. It's the Samsung Freestyle. It's an ultra portable projector that you can basically take anywhere. You'll only need one wire for it because it can actually connect to a power bank or an AC plug port, and I've been using it heavily. Actually, I took out my bedroom TV and just used this as my TV set for around 2 months now. I'm going to tell you all about my experiences. Let's begin. So first of all, here it is. That's the Samsung Freestyle projector. It's actually a really small projector, as you can see, and it's also very portable. One thing I can already show you guys is that you can really tilt it easily 180 degrees. So whether you are trying to project to the back of your room, to the top of your ceiling, or front into your front wall, you can do that really easily. As I've been using it in my bedroom, that was really amazing because I could basically specify the height of the projection really easily. On the side of the projector itself, as you can see right now, there are basically 3 plugs. The first one is a USB-C AC plug. That's the one I have connected right now, and you can obviously connect it to your included AC plug, or just connect it to a power bank and take this anywhere. That's the biggest highlight with this device. Other than that, there is the HDMI port over here and the mute switch if you want to mute the onboard microphone on this and you don't want it to, for example, use voice commands. Other than that, on the front, we can see the projection light over here. This has an intensity of 500 to 550 lumens ANSI projection, and that means that it's basically good enough to project on any dark lit room or a room that maybe has half of a window open, but not more than that. That's something I gotta put up front for you guys who are trying to replace their TV in the living room with this guy. This is not enough to lit up a projection on a lit up living room. And sorry for my English, by the way, I am doing this in multiple languages. So in the bedroom, usually I watch my Netflix or my favorite movies when I am going to sleep. So that was great. I've been using it for 2 months now every night, and it works amazingly well. Also in the morning, you can open up one window. It works great. Just don't open up too many other light sources. Other than that, the biggest feature with this guy is the operating system. Basically, with the Tizen 6 OS, you can install apps on this. You don't have to carry a streamer with you like with most other projectors. And once you use this software, basically, you have all your apps. It turns up instantaneously whether you started at a specific point. For example, last time you watched something on the projector, you turn it on, it turns back onto that same point. It's amazing. It's extremely fast. And also, it has automation to actually project. So that means that, for example, you don't have to mess with all the fine tuning that you usually have to do when you want to project something with any other projector. This does everything automatically. It knows where you are projecting. It basically rotates the picture, sets the focus, changes the size, whatever it needs to do. So in my case, I didn't even invest in actually hanging this on the ceiling. I just put it on the side of my bed, and it just knows how to correctly display the image on the front wall of the bedroom. It did it amazingly well. I didn't mess with it whatsoever. Everything was automatic, and it's amazing. You can still deal with the settings, change the picture profile to, for example, a dynamic mode where you can also see that the picture changes with the current lighting of your environment, and you can also change other settings, for example, the keystone, the focus, and other that manually if you don't like the automation. But the automation works great, so I wouldn't actually mess with that. Beyond that, you can project your mobile phone to this using the SmartThings app. If you have a Samsung, you can really tap to share. You basically tap with your phone on it. It's basically sharing your mobile phone onto the projector. Another thing you can do with this specific projector is that soon Samsung will have a lot of extensions to it, and you could just use them. For example, a battery base, even though I don't think it's a mandatory thing, or a waterproof case even. They also have this in different colors, and one thing I really liked is that you're getting this with this cover, and many projectors don't have a cover for the lens. This one has one included, and you can also use this as a light source. However, I wouldn't actually recommend that because you do have limited lifetime on on the projector's light bulb, so why spend it on having it as a light source? They will have an extension on the back port from what I saw on the website that basically will have the option to install a light bulb over here. But all in all, it's nice to see that Samsung actually thinks about the future of this product and actually to give you some future extensions to it if you already have one of these. So another thing I gotta point out now, as I've been using it for 2 months, just like about my experience with it, because I have watched movies every day, every single night with it. And one thing I gotta point out, I have used a lot of projectors, and this one is one of the most silent projectors that I have tested. Now, it's a big thing if you are using this and not correctly basically installing that to the ceiling where it's really close to your ears. So in that case, you don't really hear the noise of the fans of the projector. It's one of the most silent ones I tested. It's a big thing, and not many reviewers speak about that. Usually when I see reviews about projectors, people really praise the fact that it has high intensity, but that's not as important sometimes for people like me who need something to just watch videos at night and want to have the most silent projector they can have so they can concentrate on the movie they are watching. So it's a huge thing for me, and this projector does that really well. Talking about sound, this one really has a nice sound system. Basically, you get 5-watt 360 speakers on it, and I actually have a soundbar in my bedroom and I haven't even connected it. I like the sound so much on this guy. I thought to myself, I'm gonna, for this review, basically just use the onboard sound system just to see how good or bad usually it is. But in this case, I found it so good I didn't even try to connect my soundbar system to it via Bluetooth, by the way, because this can connect to Bluetooth devices. You can also use headphones. Everything connects really well, really easily using the operating system to it. And I really recommend actually using the onboard sound system when you are on the go, because then you can save up a lot of space and not take any speakers with you. Because this is something that I was usually doing with my older projectors that didn't have as good of a sound system like this one has. Regarding the projection screen, that's a big thing here, guys. You can open up a 100-inch projection screen. It's amazing, it's huge, it looks great, and actually that will need only 2.5 meters for that to happen, and around 9 point something feet. I'm using the metric system, the meter system here, so sorry if I made any mistakes with that. And you can go up front up to 30-inch the smallest screen you can open with this guy, and that's nice because you can basically open up a small screen if you're using this, for example, on your desk, or you can open up a huge screen if you're using this in the bedroom. So all in all, lots of different options with this, and I really enjoyed using it. I insanely recommend it, and I put in the video description down below links to where you can get it and how much it costs. As long as you understand that this is a mobile projector that has kinda everything you will need, and it's not the one projector you probably install in your living room, because there you'll usually have more light sources than this guy can probably handle. So it's good for a bedroom, it's good for going out, camping out, anything that really has a dark environment. This is the best projector for that. Believe me, after 2 months, I don't know what I would have done without it in my bedroom. I threw out my TV outside and I just used this projector instead. Thank you very much for watching. I really recommend this product like I mentioned before. I'm going to put a couple of more recommendations on my site so you can watch if you like this video, and the option to subscribe over here so you can see my future gadget reviews. And I have a lot of them sitting over there on the desk, so definitely subscribe if you want to see them. They are going to be soon on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. I was Roto Deal.